Hi, Joan here with BTEC AV Mounts here at InfoComm 2023. Right here is what we call our System X components, and what it consists of is all of our horizontal rails, including the brackets that you can typically just choose from depending on what your application is. Right here we have some of the smaller VESA patterns for smaller displays. You got your medium size fixed mounts. You got your tilt brackets for larger displays. Then you also got your pop-out brackets. These right here have all micro adjustments at X, Y, and Z's. Great for video walls. This right here is what you see here is one of our curved video walls, ceiling mount. And what it is like using these angle adapters, you have the ability to have it curved at a certain angle you wish to achieve. So our System X components, you can basically build up any type of components together, whether it's a video wall, ceiling mount, or even wall mount. For example, our freestanding carts. This right here is a 2x2 mounted in portraits. You got your XYZ adjustments, and if you happen to decide to change your mind and you want a larger freestanding video wall, feel free. You can always keep adding mobile cart solutions, whether it's more of the vertical columns right next to each other for a 3x3, or even longer than that. For more information about our products, reach out to www.btecavmounts.com.